Estate, and I'm just here to tell you about two brand new listings, two wonderful homes that are new to the market and open this weekend. They couldn't be more different, so if you have different tastes, this is going to be great for you. The first one is 517 Kavanaugh Street, a super romantic, beautiful Spanish home. It's north of Mountain Street. It has tremendous views of the Glendale, of the LA downtown skyline. It's a big 2,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 1-story Spanish, tremendous backyard. The house has so much character with a beam ceiling and hardwood floors. The bedrooms are large and just comfortable. The master bedroom has the most gorgeous originally tiled bathroom that I've seen in a long time. This is really special. If you're around on Sunday, please join us from 1 to 4. The asking price on that one is $1,395,000. It's absolutely stunning. So I hope to see you there. The second house is around the corner, down a couple blocks at 867 Mountain. And this is a super cute 3-bedroom, 2-bath, mid-century ranch with a fantastic backyard, very open living room, dining room combination. And with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, it needs updating, could use some floor work, maybe some kitchen and bath work, but the house is priced very well at $895,000 for a prime location in Ross Point. So please come on out. That one is open Saturday from 1 to 5 and then Sunday from 1 to 4. So 2 opportunities to see that one. Again, come on out. Look forward to seeing you. If you have any questions, reach out to me and I'll see you Sunday at Kavanaugh. Bye-bye.